Alright, so I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I decided I will, because I will. Today is Dad Day. We've got a call at 11 o'clock, and my wife and my oldest daughter are gonna head out to a skating thing today. My wife actually just came in, I heard the garage open, and I am finishing up my vlog from January 1st. Yeah, so I'm about to publish that in just a minute here. We'll see that in just a few minutes that I have that published and ready to go for you all to see. I went up to the snow in Manning Park. After that, we'll just see what happens during the day. Hopefully there's some good pizza making shots at the end of the day. That's the plan anyways. That's really why I want to vlog, for the pizza making shots at the end of my day. Alright, so something I totally just realized, and I'm trying it out right now, we'll have to see how this works, is that my K&F Concepts tripod actually has the center column pop, so you can flip it over and stick it underneath, and that actually lets me use it as a bit of a handheld. So I am going to try a little bit today of using the Canon 60D, which is totally manual focus, as the vlogging camera. I don't know if this is going to work. I do have my iPhone in my pocket and the little Joby tripod that I use with it, so this does not give me a tripod to use because I have to carry the whole tripod at the same time. I would love a Joby GorillaPod 5K, the big 5K, but I don't have that. So this will, it's giving me an arm workout. It's heavy. Anyway, this will give me a workout to get the, give me a try to get the 60D going as my video camera for the day. So we'll see. Gotta go get meat. That's something we had forgot about, that we need meat. My wife's gotta go out and I need to put shoes on. Should probably put a coat on, which means I'm going to put you down. That was $60 of meat. Looks like I have time to go get a 30 amp fuse because I was an idiot and reversed polarity on the car yesterday after I was an idiot and drained the battery. And there's no entertainment system. There we go. Fuses are purchased. So I'll take it home where I have pliers. My car keys in my pocket. Take it home where I have pliers and I will switch out the, I'm getting funny looks from people, of course. I will switch out the 30 amp fuse so that Cynthia has an entertainment system for the day. And after that, I bought the wrong size 30 amp fuse. So I still don't have an entertainment system for my wife, and she's just gonna have to deal with it today. Oh well. So that's it. Yes, I do use Instagram sideways because I don't have it on my phone because I don't need it on my phone. That's it. We're going to actually dump the footage off this card right now, which is technically my backup card. I usually use the 64 gig Pro one. That's an old 32 gig one. Fine for photos, not fast enough for video, and not big enough. It's only 32 gigs. So I'm gonna just be done. I'm gonna dump the footage off that card so it's all clean again. I'm gonna swap the 64 back in, and then we're just gonna get on with the day. My wife is off with the oldest, so and the kitchen's a disaster. So let's get this kitchen sorted out, and then we can move on with the day with the other kids and play with them, I guess. You can hear them playing with that. I hate that car. My brother-in-law gave it to me, gave it to us. I hate it. It's so loud, and they just all the time. Anyway, let's get the kitchen clean. What are we gonna do now? Look. I'm gonna go build the climber now because that's been the request. It's been on the job list since October when he moved here. Okay, guys, go get your shoes on. we go, heading out to the store with these guys. This way, girls. This way. We gotta get some Epsom salts to clean my oldest daughter's ears after her earrings. And then we'll get back. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I don't have my waterproof cover either. Oh well, I'll just bury the camera in the bag and see. So let's get this going. Your rock is screwing?
He will be my rock. I will keep him forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
As always, whoa, so much work to get kids to go anywhere. Let's get a show on for them. I'm gonna dump the many gigs of footage I just pulled in that, off my phone, off the camera and everything, and then I guess I'm gonna go shoot pizza. Man, I started this day wanting to vlog about some pizza, and I've shot, I don't even know how many gigabytes of video. It'd be interesting. I'm gonna figure out at the end how many gigabytes of video I shot on one day between the Canon here and the iPhone in my pocket. Is that better? Also, point this out. Be new in my YouTube studio, which I'll be breaking back out again in a couple weeks, because this is still, not a couple weeks, next week. This is January 4th. So I'll be back in the studio doing official YouTube stuff and doing more tutorials, more training, more things like that. Next week is when I start getting really back into it. So watch for that, but that'll be a new accessory in the back. That's my daughter right there, oldest one, who you haven't seen today. And our dog in the background, that's Shem. We're on Shem Mountain, the mountain right here. That one's Lady Mountain. That was last year. So that was 2017, September 2017, when I took her up and she did her first like in the snow hike. So anyways, let's get footage dumping. Then I'll go get a show on after I plug in the media card for the day and start dealing with some footage. About to add round one of the dough, have it all ready, so why don't you come with me over here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shoot another bit of slow-mo. You can see the dough mixing. I have no idea this is going to work, but we'll just find out, won't we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with our two metal trays, and I've got some people here who need to be gluten-free, or not gluten-free, dairy-free, so I've got some goat cheese over here. Start with our two metal trays. I'm going to put parchment paper on them, and then I'm going to move over to our cooking stones because they are the really nice ones. And I'm going to put oil on those and a little bit of cornmeal. And then we're going to get it all baked. You can do 3 at once in this oven. So bake 3, have 1, throw 1 in the oven later. Your guest's coming in half an hour, so I gotta get this pizza in. All right, pizza's made. It's gonna get in the oven. I gotta go find an oven rack. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna leave you there, except for some glory shots of the finished product. But that's it. I'm sure it's been a long one. I have no idea, but I shot all day, so I'm sure it's been a long one. Enjoy the pizza. Recipe's gonna be below. This is what we do pretty much every Friday night around this house. Enjoy.